What's up mga tihik? Welcome back to my channel, and for this week we'll have another project and we will be propagating lettuce. Let's begin. Okay, so during this quarantine period, maybe it's ECQ, GCQ, or MECQ, whatever the name is. So, I guess most of us makarelate jud nga, usahay mo na nakaglingaw sa inyong balay. And many people are just doing TikTok and doing or discovering new hobbies. So, just like me, right now I'm into, gardening and planting, urban gardening. So again, our project for this week is, we will be propagating these seeds here that I got from Rustan's. So each pack contains about 1,000 seeds with 70% success in growth rate. So we hope to, see little babies, little lettuce sprouting on our pot that I'll be showing right after this clip. So by the way, I created a new Facebook page. Check it out here, somewhere here. So that's where I'm gonna post all our pot sessions. So I call it Happy Pot Sessions. Okay, it's really a stress reliever for me. Ang kanang bungkal-bungkal ugyutan, magtanong-tanong for some reason, I don't know, or maybe basta makalingaw siya. So without further ado, let's begin. So for today's project, we will be needing an egg tray and a pair of scissors. We will be dividing the egg tray into two sections, but first let's get rid of this damaged section. Just cut it off. But if your egg tray is in good condition, then you can have 3 sections. Alright, cutting through. Almost done. Alright, now that we have removed the bad section or the damaged section, so we will be cutting this egg tray into 2 halves. So here's the first part, and cutting through for our second part, cutting it all the way to the other end. Okay. So onto our potting mix. So here I'm using 2 different types of soil and I'm mixing them all together. So just get a good portion. You can just estimate whatever you want. There's really no exact measurement. So just mix it all together very well. Just like so. Alright, after mixing the 2 soils here, we will be adding a vermicast for the nutrients of our vegetable. So just scoop a good amount of vermicast and mix it well with the rest of the soil. Alright, mixing. So make sure that you also scoop the bottom part of this pot. Alright, so if you're satisfied with the mixture, go ahead and grab the 2 egg trays that we prepared earlier and fill the holes with soil. This is where we will plant our seeds later. So fill it in, and if there are any stones or clumps, soil, just remove it and fill it with good soil and give it a shake after to release the air, and check if there are any gaps, and fill it in with soil. Let's do the same to the other egg trays that we've prepared. So again, also fill it in with good amount of soil. Fill all the holes and then give it a good shake towards the end. I just brought it in here at our kitchen so that it will be easier to show you guys how we will prepare these seedlings. So we have red lettuce, green lettuce. We also have a pack of chili. So our goal is to plant all three of them in our nursery bed. First is we will open the green lettuce pack. So using a pair of scissors, I'm cutting through the packaging, and inside there is also another pack of foil that contains the seeds. So just shake it to put all the seeds at the bottom, and then you can either use a pair of scissors to cut it through or tear it with your hands. Alright, and then let's pour the amount of seeds in our palm. Okay, there you go. And using your other hand, pinch a little and sprinkle it on top of the soil. So sprinkle it all over, trying to put a distance on each seed that drops on the soil. Okay, here it looks like I've had more than enough seeds, so I'll just have to distribute the rests. And let's do the same to the red lettuce on the other egg tray. Now we're ready to give our seeds a shower. So I'm just running water straight from the faucet, and using my hand I scoop water and have it run through my fingers all the way down to the soil. So give it a good bath of water for both trays. So I'm trying to transfer these tray to the window area there, but they're kind of soggy, so let me just put this camera so that I can use both hands to transfer. One moment. Okay, there we have it. So hopefully this little babies here will grow in a few days, so I'll just keep you posted on our Facebook page of the progress. Alright, so again, kato lang sa siya for now kay ato pa mapatubuo na to ang seeds, and I'll just keep you updated sa progress. Maybe we'll have another vlog showing nagtubo na siya, and eventually it says after 30 days or 30 to 45 days maharvest na nato ang lettuce. So I'm excited to make use or take advantage of our project sometime in the future, near future. So again, don't forget to like this new page that I've created for our pot sessions, and of course also visit my Think Nihig vlogs page. It's our main page where we are doing this vlogging. So maybe sometime in the future, if things are going well, maybe I could also sell, some of these guys here. These are very nice plants, great for indoors, for your room. So if makarelate mo aning video, if you also wanted to create your own home garden bisan ata diri sa city and scarce ang resources such as soil, so narin na mapalit daghan, just search online. I got mine online as well. So I'll link or look for this video as well sa own pag create of perfect potting mix for your indoor plants, but different na siya nga potting mix that I've created for the lettuce. Is different as what you've seen on the clip earlier. So I guess di na magdugay. So if ka-relate ka aning video, if you also want to learn more about this as we learn together, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye.